Here a positive charge plus q is fixed at a point A. Another positively charged particle, small q, of mass m is projected from point B with a velocity u where the BC distance is d. Now the point B is at a very large distance from A and a distance d from the line AC. Initial velocity is parallel to this particular line AC. The point C is at very large distance from A. Now we need to find the minimum distance between this plus q, small q, and plus capital Q during the motion. It is given, some values are given. Capital Q into small q is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught mu square d, and d is given to be root 2 minus 1 meter. These are the values given. Now, as this particle approaches, between these positive charges there is repulsion. So because of this repulsion, this q charge will start moving away from this capital Q charge, and its trajectory will be like this. A parabolic path will be there. Now because of the repulsion, let at the distance of closest approach, the velocity of the charge is v and distance is r. And as there is no external force on this charge system, or there is no external torque, so angular momentum will remain conserved. तो इन दोनों का इनिशियल और फाइनल एंगुलर मोमेंटम अगर हम कंजर्व करें, m u into d will be equal to mv into r. So from conservation of angular momentum, ud is equal to vr. This is first equation. And now from the conservation of energy, we can write initial energy half mu square plus, as the distance is very large, potential energy is 0, is equal to final kinetic energy half mv square plus potential energy, that is kqq by r. Now we need to find the value of the minimum separation, that is we need to find the value of r. So if I put the value of v from equation 1 into equation 2, I can write half mu square is equal to half m, v is ud by r square plus kqq by r. So here from we can write half mu square 1 minus d square by r square is equal to kqq by r. Now if I put the value of mu square and kqq, I can write half mu square 1 minus d square by r square is equal to q's value is 4 pi epsilon naught mu square d by 4 pi epsilon naught r. So these 4 pi epsilon naught is cancelled. Mu square is also cancelled. So we are left with 1 minus d square by r square is equal to 2d by r, or this can be written as d square by r square plus 2d by r minus 1 is equal to 0. So here we can see it is a quadratic equation of d by r. Now let us assume, let d by r to be equal to x. So this equation is x square plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. To solve this particular equation, we get the value of x to be equal to x equal to 1 upon 2a into minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac. So, here from we can obtain x to be equal to root 2 minus 1, and which is equal to d by r. So, d by r is root 2 minus 1, or r is equal to d by root 2 minus 1. If I put the value of d as given, root 2 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1, this is equal to 1 meter. So, minimum separation between these two charged particles, capital Q and small q, will be 1 meter.